Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will show that when you submit a form, so you will see that form data in the WordPress dashboard. Here you will see this one as the contact form, and this form is built using Elementor page builder. And now I'm gonna fill all the field to submit this form. So I'm gonna put this field, also put the program. I'm gonna write here dummy, and then I'm gonna click on I'm not reboot. Now I'm gonna submit, click on submit button. So the email is successfully sent. This email is also sent to that email that put in the Elementor contact form. Now we will see this form data. I'm gonna back here to the Elementor dashboard, and here you will see the Elementor. So inside the Elementor you will see another option, submission. So the submission is not enabled here, so that's why it's not showing here. First I'm gonna enable the submission option. So I'm gonna click on the setting. Inside the feature you will see the submission option. Scroll down. Here you will see form submission as inactive. So I'm gonna click on active and then click on save changes. So you will see the submission here, and I'm gonna click on submission, and here you will see all type of the email sent from the Elementor contact form, right? So now I'm gonna back to the Elementor contact form and send another email. So I'm gonna put all the field, and then I'm gonna click on I'm not reboot. Now I'm gonna click on submit. So the data is successfully sent. So I'm gonna back to the Elementor dashboard, and then I'm gonna refresh. Alright, you will see the email here. So I'm gonna click on view, and you will see all the detail of the customer, right? So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share.